Hey everyone, welcome back to Amuthu Design. Today, I'll show you how to create a beautiful family digital oil painting in Photoshop. It's an easy 5-minute tip that anyone can follow. Let's dive right in. Remove your image background. Right-click on it and convert it to Smart Object. Adjust the image size accordingly.
Once in a while I dream.
Add a layer mask.
Once in a while
Create a gradient adjustment layer.
think of you. I
Then follow this process.
on days gone by when you and I were new. Once in a while I dream, hoping that
Make a merged copy from all of the layers. Ctrl+E.
but I know that you're not coming
Apply these settings
back, so
and apply the following settings.
I dream. Each moment passes like hours. Each day is dark as the night. Since we have ended, I just pretend
Apply these settings
I have a reason to live. It's sad how the seasons change. Sad how the feeling
Then follow this process.
we were in love, but now it's over. So once in a while I dream.
Make a merged copy from all of the layers. Ctrl+E. Select the text tool.
So sad how the seasons change. Sad how the feelings go away. We were in love, but now it's over. So once in a while I dream. Pardon my plea.
Double-click on the layer to open the blending options. Then follow this process.
Once in a while, I dream. Once in a while, I dream. Once in a while, I think of you.
Make a merged copy from all of the layers. Ctrl+E. Open Camera Raw filters. Apply these settings.
Once in a while I dream, hoping that you'd return to me. But I know that you're not coming back, so once in a while I dream. Each moment passes like hours. Each day is dark as the night. Since we have ended, I just pretend I have a reason.
Create a gradient
to
adjustment layer.
live. It's sad how the seasons change. Sad how the feelings go away. So once in a while I dream. So sad how the seasons change. Sad how the feelings go away.
This is the final result.
We were in
Thanks for watching.
love, but now it's over. So once in a while